day to start the month. Good gains on the day. We did better than our strategies with some additional. We had a technical error. Didn't get the first EVP1 short all the way, and so I missed that. And so that was good. And so our line results are 11,875 on the 250K portfolio plus 2020 plus 2227 on the 50K portfolio. That brings us up on the week. And since today is the start of a new month, it's one of those weeks where the month is in the middle. The new month starts in the middle. We are up 11,875 on the month, same as today. This brings us up on the quarter and up on the year, adds to those gains, and reduces our drawdown to half of the worst case drawdown on the live. Our last equity was May the 5th, and Thursdays and Fridays tend to be pretty good, and so nice trend day today. The VIX was crushed. We had a market rally, good accumulation day. The debt ceiling, I guess, is now history. I don't know. I guess the Senate still has to vote on that. But it looks like it's history and it's out of the market's mind. Sometimes a new month can make a big difference. And the tone was different today. Just obviously a strong accumulation day until the very end. Then we had this quick sell-off. We gave back, I guess we were up about 15K at the peak. And we gave back about almost 6K and then got some back on the rebound. So interesting trading. One day doesn't make a trend make, but the market just continues to be strong, crazy bullish bias. We talked about that in our monthly results video. We'll talk about that as well in this video, and we'll go over the trades on the day as well as the market. What is especially good about today is that we were down on the month last month minus 12.9K, and so we were almost got all those losses back. We're about $1,000 away from recovering the losses from last month. We're still in a drawdown, intra-month drawdown from, we had that huge equity peak on May the 5th, so we're still trying to get back to that equity peak on May the 5th. And so let's go over the trades on the day. We were 6 for 8 on the Nasdaq and 4 for 6 on the S&P. These are the Nasdaq strategies. Nasdaq was a highlight, just a continued strong gains. Cobra 3 hit its profit target plus 1375. Viper profit target, stopped out minus 80. The profit target is half the size of the stop loss, and so that put us down on the day. Tick pullback, exited right there at the end, plus about 2,500 on the day. And EVP1, we missed that short trade, which helped us out, and that was a loser. Typically, just those, it seems like all short trades now are just another long signal. So you get this market is so strong that long signals are long signals and short signals are long signals. So you see that short right there would have been good just to buy that, and this short right here could have just gone long here as well. So the market sells off, you get a short signal, just buy it instead because this market is so strong. Long signals are long signals and short signals are long signals. So EVP1 got short, reversed to long, down on the day because of these short trades. And then this strategy, this version of EVP1 is long only, so up about 400 on the day, capturing that rally back. And tick pullback, we already went over that one. Tick reversal, up on the day, hadn't traded in a while, over 2K profit on the day. Tick count trend, up just a little bit on the day. Hit his profit target, stopped out right there on the last trade. This end of day, it's interesting because you can get chop all day, but it's rare you'll get trend all day. So you get this end of day. Let's have some contention here. Zigzag had one trade today, up 675, and so let's look at the S&P trades. Like I said, the S&P was 4 for 6 on the day, and our opening chops did well as a whole. We had the pattern today where the market chopped at the open, and then it broke out and trended. And so that was a classical pattern we've been watching. We can see that opening chop. We got your long trade, short trade, long trade, and then exit time. So it's perfect. Opening chop plus 1387.50. Opening chop 2 minus 1250 on the day. What didn't take the trades quite as well. And then tick chop took the long trade, almost 1,000 on the day. So our opening chops and zigzag which were the dogs of our portfolio last month, came in strong today. Tick counter and dynamic turnaround down on the day. And then cover 3 plus 575 hit its profit target. Tick pulse exit at the end of the day for a gain. And some of these, the P&L shows up over here. Others it doesn't show up for some reason, so I don't know why. I have to figure that out. It's hard to, you have to click on it to find the actual number. So if I click on this and look at the 612.50 is the result. So once again, I went over this in the monthly results video, plus 71, 580, and 104 trades, up over $700 average trade profit. And you can see how strong this has been. This is January the 1st right there. January the 1st, this thing just takes off. You buy the open, sell at the close, and you see during the FOMC, when the Fed printed all that money during the pandemic, this thing surged and did well. It did well here from May 2021 through September 2021, but it's never done as well as it has done since January. It's a supposedly quantitative tightening. A lot of liquidity is left over from this time period to drive these prices higher. A lot has been said about the Nasdaq. Top 5 stocks have led the market while most of the market has gone nowhere on the year. And so it's interesting divergence between the leaders in the Nasdaq driving the Nasdaq higher and the broader market such as the Russell 2000. Once again, these are the trades on the day for the first trading day of the month for June 1st, 2023. Looking forward to tomorrow's trade. Fridays have been one of our best trading days. We've had a good trading day today. We'll see if that continues tomorrow and if the trend continues higher or if we eventually get a reversal to the downside. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.